States was 6.05 fetal deaths at 20 weeks or more per 1,000 live births and fetal deaths. That's nearly 3 times greater than other areas. So, what's contributing to this disparity? There are several factors at play. One major issue is the lack of Medicaid expansion, which leaves many women without access to essential prenatal care. The South also has a large rural population, which means limited access to healthcare facilities and fewer perinatal health workers. Another significant factor is the high percentage of uninsured women aged 19 to 54. Many of these women live in maternity care deserts, areas where there are no hospitals or birth centers offering obstetric care. The prevalence of chronic health conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease is also higher in the South, putting expectant mothers at greater risk. And let's not forget the impact of strict abortion bans, which can affect the availability of OB/GYNs. Now, let's talk about racial disparity. Black women are disproportionately affected by stillbirth, experiencing it at more than double the rate of other groups. Over half of the Black population in the U.S. resides in the South, exacerbating this regional disparity. Chronic stress, higher rates of underlying health conditions, and systemic inequalities all play a role here. But there is hope. Solutions are being explored to address this crisis. High-tech tools like AI can predict premature labor, while low-tech solutions like transportation assistance programs and educational initiatives